Hey there, Brock Elementary parents. It is Miss Griffith here with your Brock Elementary update for December 16th through the 20th. I want to start off this update with a big, huge congratulations to our Brock UIL participants for bringing home the district championships. We're so proud of our kids. They worked so hard in all of their events and went and just represented Brock so well. The elementary will be having their awards ceremony in January, so we'll be getting that information out to parents as soon as we have all the details lined out. But we really look forward to celebrating our students and their academic success at the UIL meet. Upcoming events. So this week is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday is pretty normal school days. Actually, Tuesday, our second grade students will be going to visit some nursing homes in the area. And one of the cool things is they're going to be delivering blankets that they made with all the other grade levels during their house time. And so real quick, I wanted to tell you, I put a little video update about house time, going over what that is, because I had made a video a couple weeks ago, but I think it's important to revisit it and really get the word out there about when your kids are coming home talking about house time, what is that? And so here's some information for you there. There's a little slideshow that we actually used to present to the school board this past Monday night about what we are doing and what is our why behind the house time for students and for teachers. And so if you want to check that out, that information's here. And there's some cool pictures of our kids making the blankets that they're going to be delivering to the nursing homes tomorrow. And just kind of neat. But what else we have going on? Thursday the 19th is going to be the Brock Elementary Pajama Day, and we're going to have hot chocolate and pictures with Santa, I believe, that day. And so it'll just be a great little day, but it is an early release. We'll be rolling buses here at the elementary at 11:50, and our students will have an adjusted lunch schedule, and we'll get that. So it'll be, I think, first grade will go 10:40 to 11, and we'll talk about that. We'll get that information out to you just so that you guys are aware of what we decide to do with lunch those days, but we will provide lunch those days. And then December 20th, which is our last day before we head into Christmas break, is also an early release, and it is our Christmas party day. So that's always a very exciting day here that we get to have lots of parents in the building and just celebrating, really celebrating Christmas and celebrating this first half of the school year. It's so hard to believe that we're already here at Christmas break, but man, what a wonderful time it has been. And so that's kind of what we have going on. And then, just to piggyback off of what a great first half of the year it's been, we realize that there's so many great things to celebrate, and we want to hear your feedback from parents. And also, there's probably some areas where we could do a better job of supporting you and your kiddo here at Brock Elementary, because ultimately, to me and to all of the staff here, we are here to serve you and serve your child, and we want to do the best job we possibly can. And for us to be able to do that, we need your feedback. So I have this simple little form here. Just fill it in. What's going well? What are some things that you really like about Brock Elementary? Let us know that so that we make sure to continue to do those things. Where's an area that we could be better in supporting you and your child? Just let us know. And please know that the things that you guys put down are things that matter to us and we want to do better. And then who should be recognized? Oops, I need to go in and change that form. That's a little bit, that should be right. But let us know, is there a staff member that's really made a difference for you or your child? We want to know about it because we want to celebrate the great. And so, the things that make this school such a special place is our community. It is the support of our parents. It is our children that come in and just show respect, that really hopefully love being here, and in turn we can give them a really great school experience if they feel safe and they feel like they're part of something special here at Brock Elementary. So again, we would love your feedback. Please fill it out and let us know, just let us know how you feel. And I want to just say that I hopefully will see some of you guys this week, that I have enjoyed getting to share this year with your child, and I look forward to an amazing second half of the year. And I hope you guys all have a very Merry Christmas and that we have a wonderful week here before Christmas break. I know that our teachers have prepared some really great things for our kids this week. I hope you all stay healthy and have a great one. Go Eagles!